Okay, welcome to this section. Welcome to the Mastering the Art of Kobo Writing Life for Beginners. Most simplified way for newbies, for new beginners. So, I'll take you through this journey. Make sure you pay attention because just pay attention because at the end of this presentation, I believe you will understand how book publishing works. So, first of all, I'm the profitable man. I believe you know me, but that is not the main reason for this section now. So let's go to the business. What is Kobo writing? Many people are just asking the question that what is Kobo writing? What is this thing? Is it Kobo? Is it Naira? Is it Kobo of our Naira? Like, people just don't understand the meaning of this Kobo of a thing. So as you can see on your screen, Kobo Writing Life, some people call it Kobo Writing Life, some people call it Rakuten Kobo, but we know it at Kobo Writing Life. So Kobo Writing Life is a self-publishing platform that enables authors to publish and sell ebook globally, reaching readers in over 190 countries. So what we do here is that it is a platform whereby you can write a book and publish it there. If you write a book personally, you will have to be doing this marketing, selling, telling people buy this, buy that. It's either you give it to some people, maybe at stationery, or you just submit it to one bookshop so that they can sell it for you. But yeah, this is a platform. The same way people can list their product on Jumia is also the same way you can list your book on Kobo Writing. The same way you can carry your tomato to market to sell. Marketplace now, that your traditional normal marketplace. You carry your product to market to sell. It's the same way you can carry your book to Kobo platform to sell. I believe you get it. If you don't get it, read all these writings again. But I believe this is one of the most simple explanation I can give to you. So let's move on because I don't really want to waste your time. Okay, let's move on. So this section talks about the things you need on this journey. There are things you will need on this journey. You understand, this journey of a book publishing, you need some certain things that will help you. You need some certain tools, certain elements, certain mechanisms, certain chemicals. Sorry. So you need some certain things. And the first of, I told you guys, if you have been watching me, listening to my podcast or reading my post, I tell you that even if you don't know how to write, you can do this Kobo writing. You can do book publishing both on Amazon KDP, Apple Book, and any other book platform or any other platform you can sell your book. So you need ChatGPT. One of the things we use ChatGPT for now is we use ChatGPT to generate information. Is this information you generate from ChatGPT that you will turn into book? For example, I want to write on how to be successful in, let me say how to be a profitable investor. How to be a profitable investor. So if I know, okay, this is the particular topic I want to write about, how to be a profitable investor, the next thing I do is what? Is to use ChatGPT to generate content for this particular topic that I'm going to write about. Is to use ChatGPT for the work. You get it? So if I use ChatGPT, this is ChatGPT that I will use to generate the content, to generate the table of content, to generate the title and the subtitle, to generate the description by the help of the prompt or some prompt that I will be giving to ChatGPT to help me to write my book. So you need ChatGPT to generate information based on the prompt you submitted to the AI. So the second thing you are going to need is Google Doc. You need Google Document. This will be used to edit and format the content we have generated from ChatGPT. This will be used to make our book into chapters and make our book ready for publishing. After generating your content from ChatGPT, the next thing you need to do is to open your Google Doc, because you need Google Doc to format, to edit, to remove and add things that are needed. You remove things that are not necessary and add things that are necessary. So it's Google Doc that we use for that purpose. I mean Google Document. You can download Google Document from your Play Store. If you want to register your ChatGPT, just type it to your Google ChatGPT. You will see ChatGPT AI, so you will register it. So this Google Doc, you need it very well. So this is the one we'll be using to edit, format, and make our book ready for publishing. Google Document. You can download it and you can use the web version of it. So the third one will be Canva design. After writing a book, you still need a book design. People will say that don't judge a book by its cover, but on publishing business, thousands of people judge your book by your cover. You understand? Because if your cover is not attractive, they won't even have any hope of maybe your content is something that is beautiful or your content is worthy of buying. So you must know how to design a good, attractive, seductive, a good, attractive cover, not seductive cover, a good, attractive cover. I believe you understand what I'm trying to say. So once you get the cover design, you can use Canva. There are many templates on Canva, thousands of templates that we can use to create our book cover, to make it beautiful, to make it wonderful, to make it attractive, and to make it buyable for our customers on our Kobo platform. So use this one to design your book cover. So you use this one, you need it. Canva design, you need it very well, because the reason why you need it is that you may not know how to design very well, but Canva will help you with some template to just design your book cover. Some people use a lot of things to design their book cover, but the most popular one is Canva design. So this one is going to help you understand what I'm trying to say now. So let's move to the next one. So the next one is Kobo, Qbot. Sometimes we use Qbot to correct our grammatical error. We use Qbot to paraphrase. We use Qbot to paraphrase, to correct our grammatical errors. Those are the purpose of Qbot. So you need Qbot most of the times. Maybe you want to just paraphrase. You need some synonyms of some particular word. So this will be needed for it will be needed for grammatical correction and paraphrasing if needed. So let's move to the next slide. So the next slide here is getting started. If you want to start Kobo publishing, the first step is to open Kobo account. Make sure you have your Gmail already. Email after one already is to open Kobo account. So to open Kobo account, there are other videos whereby I teach on how to open Kobo account. So you need to open Kobo account. The next one is open payment account. If you want to open payment account, I think I've taught that one too. You need what is that? You need you need to open GeekPay, Gray, or Clever, or Pioneer. These are the payment accounts we use to receive our money from all these publishing platforms. Is that you open GeekPay, you can find all these applications on Play Store or Apple Store. GeekPay, Gray.o, or Clever, or Pioneer. Those are the things we use as our receiving account. Once you download those apps, just register, verified, and request for US or Euro account. Once they give you, those are the things you need to complete your your setting up of account on Kobo publishing platform. So the third one is you need to open ChatGPT. Open your ChatGPT. After you need to open the ChatGPT account. It's very easy to open. Just search for the link and register. So the next one is you need to open Google Doc and Canva account, as I said earlier. Open Google Doc and Canva account. Google Doc to format, edit our content. Canva for our book design. Let's move to the next slide because of our time. So let me just take you through the organogram, the anatomy, the physiology, the physiotherapy. Okay, let me just take you through the publishing chain. You can call it that publishing chain. So getting a book to write, the first step in getting a book to write is you have to recognize what you want to write about. Miles Morales will say that if the purpose of a thing is not known, abuse is inevitable. You want to write a book. Okay, what kind of book do you want to write? So what kind of book do you want to write? So you need to get a title first. After getting the title first, you need to even add the knowledge of the subtitle. For example, how to be a profitable investor. That is my title. My subtitle cannot be that 7 strategic way to make your money works for you. or 7 proven or 7 successful or 100 successful ways to do this and do that. You understand? Because your subtitle is what will give meaning to your title. Sometimes your title may not have a meaning, but your subtitle will give meaning to it. So subtitle is that thing that give meaning to your title. There are many times that your title may not have any meaning, but your title will give meaning to your title. So it's the subtitle that give meanings to title. So after knowing what to write about, when you have done a little research, the next thing is to visit ChatGPT. You understand? Because you have to know what to write about, what you want to write about. You got to know that. So after knowing what you want to write about, for example, the profitable investor, 7 proven way on how to multiply your money, the next place to go is getting the content. One of the way we get content as a publisher is through artificial intelligence, because the reason why you will get a very good content from artificial intelligence, because this particular book I'm trying to work on, that there is a universal principle concerning how to multiply your money or how to make your money works for you. It's not really somebody personal opinion. So getting content from AI will actually supply you good content for this kind of title. You understand? So is to open your AI, generate the table of content, generate the book description and other things needed. How to do all these things I've been explaining in other videos that you are going to be watching. So the next one is formatting. After generating your book, you need to edit and format your content in a book like you need to remove unnecessary trees and add necessary trees, and also design the book cover. You get me? You need to format it, put chapter 1, sub-heading, sub-heading 1, sub-heading 2, how to format your book. I think there's a video for that on my YouTube channel too. So how to format a book, you need that. So the next one is publishing the book. So after our book is ready, next thing is to publish the book, set the title, description, add the book cover, select category, upload the document and set your price and click publishing button. Pim. So if you want to know more about that, you should check my YouTube channel. Like publishing process, couple publishing process is there. So you know how to publish your book. So this is what we do in publishing business. So this is what we do. There is nothing really special. So another thing we do is that we do our research to get high demand niches, like what people are buying, what are the problems people are looking for the solutions. So those are the things we do, and we create book about it. Maybe people are looking for how to multiply their money. So once we get that niche, okay, money, how to multiply money, investment, we create a book about it. After creating a book about it, next thing we do is that we'll publish the book to the market. So we'll publish the book to the market. So after publishing the book to the market, what we do is that we move to the next one. And that is what we keep repeating, and we are seeing results till today. So thank you for watching this section. I really love you guys, and I believe you understand something. Thank you for your attention. I am the Profitable Man.